Hey guys, thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. Welcome to another vlog. It is a beautiful, beautiful day out today, and I gotta tell you, I feel like $1,000,000 today. I am having an awesome day. Now I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff done before I go to Vegas next week, and one of the things I have to do here is get the oil changed. I hate getting the oil changed. I hate sitting there. I hate waiting, but it's one of those things, you know, you gotta do it. All right. Now, hopefully, there is not too long of a wait. I think I might be able to get in right away. Yep. Looks that way. All right. Got the oil changed. Didn't take very long at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get my car washed. I haven't washed my car in probably 5 months, maybe. It's been quite a while. So, I love getting my car washed here. Get a really good price on it. $4. Now I got up pretty early this morning, so I'm gonna get a lot done today. Looking forward to it. Back up. All right. Now I gotta tell you, I am starving. Gonna stop by the store here and pick up a couple of things. Sorry if I sound a little muffled. I have a mask on currently, but I'm gonna make chicken pesto penne. It's basically a pesto sauce with some rotisserie chicken on top of some penne noodles, and I might do a little bit of asparagus too. Sounds pretty good. Got a couple of Mountain Dews here too. Love Mountain Dew. All right, well, I meant to get a little footage of making lunch earlier, but I was really hungry and I decided not to. But like I said earlier, I made I think it was a chicken pesto on penne noodles dish with asparagus on the side. And it was disgusting. I was trying something new. And yeah, I do not recommend. Oh God, I hate wearing a mask. Yeah, it was not good, guys. Now I have a big bag of plastic Tupperware there that I'm gonna go ahead and donate to Goodwill. We got a bunch of new glass containers, and I definitely do not have a need for those plastic ones anymore. The glass containers that we got are about 100 times better anyways. God, that sun is bright today. All right, here we are. Hopefully I don't have to wait in line. Nope, I don't think anybody's up there. I'm gonna drop this off and then go across the street over there and clean out my car. Been meaning to do that for well over a week. All right, guys, well, here's that glassware set that I was talking about. Glass, bakeware, storage, and prep set. 32 pieces. Very good deal. I got this for $20. Very heavy. It was a Black Friday special. I have not opened it yet. Let's go ahead and get this open. Take a look at everything. I got a set like this, very similar. I'll go ahead and get this out of here first because it looks like it's going to fall out if I go ahead and try to open these flaps here. Little container. But I think I got one of these maybe, I don't know, about a year or two ago. It didn't have as much in it, the last one that I bought. These are really good quality too. Big fan of these. We had a bunch of those plastic ones for the longest time, but we never used them. Also, guys, the plastic ones, if you put something in there that has like, let's say spaghetti sauce in it, you will stain the heck out of those containers, and it's like next to impossible to get the stain out. It smells really good in here, by the way, guys. I have one of my favorite candles going. Mulled cider. It's very good. Love the smell of that candle. God, there's a ton of stuff in here. More containers. You know what? I know for sure that the one that I got a couple years back did not have a lot of this stuff, and I paid I think like 20 bucks for that one as well. But it definitely didn't have this in it. It's kind of cool. One of the things I like about this set is it came with a measuring cup. Well, it's a little bigger than I thought it would be. It's a 2-cup one. Anchor Hawking. We do have a measuring cup already, but we only have one of them. I'll let you guys see it real quick. I think it's by the same company. Yeah, it is. Right there. 1 cup. But like I said, we only have one of these, so, you know, a lot of the time when I'm cooking, baking, whatever I'm doing, I do a lot of cooking and baking. That measuring cup will be dirty, and I'll have to clean it, and you know what? Having 2 of those is really going to be nice. Let's go ahead and pan up here a little bit. Right. Alright, well, here's something I definitely didn't get in the other set that I bought a couple years back as well. Don't really know what I'm going to use that for. Is it like a pie container? That's what it looks like. Not really sure. But I'm going to clean all of this stuff before I use any of it, so I'm going to run it all through my dishwasher. It's probably going to take a couple of loads. But I'm going to get this all unboxed here and then start a load. Then I think I'm going to hook up my chest harness for my GoPro. I'm going to do a little hiking video. I don't even think I'm going to do any talking for it. Oh, I thought that was a scratch there, but not. Baking dish. This is going to be awesome. I use those all the time. I mean, the value here, guys. 20 bucks for all this. That's pretty crazy. This must be a 13 by 9, I think. 12.8 by 9. Pretty close. 13 by 9. We're going to call it a 13 by 9. It's a very nice baking dish. Now I'm going to try to get all of this in view, give you an idea. I mean, I think you guys already have an idea, but, you know, just for the sake of the video, why not? Give you an idea just how much stuff this really is. Okay, one of them is broken. There's a little piece of glass in there. That sucks. Gonna have to find out which dish that came off of and throw that one away. But I'll do that in a minute. This one's chipped. That one's chipped. Debating whether or not I should take this back. Is it really worth it to take it back? I don't know. Okay, so I have decided to not keep this set, and I'm going to return it. You know, looking at these a lot closer, a lot of them have some really kind of deep scratches and some cracks and stuff, and plus that random piece of glass. Yeah. I am going to return this and see if I can get another one. And if they don't have any left, I'm going to go ahead and get my money back. Alright, well, I returned the glassware set. And I am losing daylight here pretty quickly, so I am going to make that hiking video that I wanted to make. Hopefully if I can figure out this chest harness. I'm going to be doing a hiking video on the Bicentennial Trail with my GoPro. How in the heck does this work? Well, it stretches and it's adjustable. Let's try to figure this out. Alright, well I got the harness figured out. Did not take me very long. It's a very simple thing to throw together, but I gotta tell you, all of this stuff has a very cheap, plasticky, I don't know, chemical kind of smell. It stinks. Alright, I'm gonna fit this into the vlog here. I'm gonna get this mask off. This is the first time that I've used my GoPro with the chest harness. I don't know how it's gonna look. It's almost like the camera is pointing down a bit. I don't know how I feel about that. but couldn't figure out how to fix that. Maybe that's the way it's supposed to be when it's in the harness. I don't know. All right, well, what I'm gonna do is do a hiking video, hopefully. Got a little bit of sunlight left. Goes down so quickly these days. All right, here we are. Love these trails back here. There's a lot of trails in my city, but really like this area. Okay. I'm really not gonna do too much vlogging on the trail here. I'm gonna focus mainly on my hiking video, which I don't think I'm gonna do much of any talking at all throughout the video. Check this out, guys. I put these business cards here like probably 4 or 5 months ago. They're still here. All right. I did not bring a jacket, gloves. It actually warmed up quite a bit. All right, well, I brought the other glassware set back to the store, and I got a new one. Hopefully none of this stuff is damaged. All right. Oh, so far, so good. I don't really see any horrible damage. I had a couple scratches, but at least nothing is cracked like the other set. Yeah. Oh, that looks pretty good. I am gonna unbox this thing and look everything over a little bit, and then I'm gonna end the video. It's been a pretty long day. Good day. Just pretty long, and I got a lot of other stuff. Man, I tell you, it's never ending. I gotta go pick up some gift cards and do the whole Christmas thing, and got some presents I have to wrap. Yeah, these look fine. One of the gift cards I had to get was from a place called Jersey Mike's. I got that a little bit ago. It's a gift for somebody. I don't mind saying that. I know a lot of my family members, my wife, a lot of people watch my channel. Somebody's getting a Jersey Mike's gift card, I'll tell you that. Alright. Yeah, I really don't think there's going to be any damage on any of these. Not that I can see anyways. Which is amazing, because if there would have been damage on this set, I probably would have returned it and not gotten another one. A lot of cardboard in here. Yeah, that looks fine. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a great day.